Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make spaghetti red sauce. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need fresh tomatoes, garlic, and a selection of herbs like basil and oregano. Don't forget a good quality olive oil and a can of crushed tomatoes to form the base. Having these items prepared will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for a delicious homemade sauce. Next, we'll build the foundational flavors. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 medium diced onion and 3 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing them until they become soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. For a little warmth, stir in a pinch of red pepper flakes. Cook this aromatic mixture until it's fragrant, about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. Now it's time to bring the sauce together. Pour in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Add about 1/2 cup of water or chicken broth to achieve your desired consistency. Stir in fresh basil, dried oregano, and a bay leaf. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook, partially covered, for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 hours for a richer, more developed flavor. For the grand finale, we'll perfect the taste. Season your sauce with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. If the sauce tastes a bit too acidic, a small pinch of sugar can help balance the flavors. Stir in 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley and 1 tablespoon of butter for a silky texture and added richness. Remove the bay leaf before serving. Your delicious homemade red sauce is now ready to be enjoyed over your favorite pasta, perhaps with a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.